Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles for Kids. Today we are going to draw a really cute bat. So I'm going to start by drawing almost like the shape of a nugget. Okay, and I'm going to give two little pointy ears. Two little pointy ears, okay? And I'm going to put two circles here. These are going to be his great big eyes. And I'm going to put circles in those circles. And another circle in those circles, okay? And now back to his ears, I'm going to do another little almost triangle shape. It's going to be the inside of his ears. And now he's going to have a little nose. So it's going to almost look like a little pig nose, but I'm going to give it like a little point. Okay, so it's almost like a straight line here, and then up and down. So up and down, like a little triangle almost without the bottom part. And now we're gonna round it off. Okay. And we're gonna give them two little nostrils. And I'm gonna give him a great big smile. And two little pointy teeth. Okay, now I'm going to give him his wings. So do a shape like that, just underneath the eye part. And now we're going to come out that way and do almost like an upside down U. And then another upside down U, and join it back to his body. Okay, and that's one of his wings. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now our U, now another U shape, and now we're going to bring it back and join it to his body. Now he needs little feet. So, all the way down there, and I'm going to give him, oh my goodness, my pencil just broke. That's okay. There we go. I'm going to give him three little toes. And lines there so that they're little triangles. Okay. And the same over here. One little toe, two little toe, three little toes, and then the straight lines across. So now we got our little bat. I'm going to grab a dark marker and color over all of those lines. So you can outline him in black. So when he's all fully colored, I think he's going to be so cute. One circle, two circle, three circle. One circle, two circle, three circle. almost done outlining him in black. Okay, now I'm gonna make my bat. I'm gonna make my bat purple. I'm gonna use a dark purple color. Now, I've never actually seen a purple bat before, but your bat can be any color you want him to be. And I just think he'd be extra cute with this purple color. But if you want to make your bat black, sure. Or maybe you want to make him a little brown bat. It's all up to you. Foot and the other little foot. And we're almost done coloring with the purple. Gotta finish this wing. Now I'm gonna go in with the pink color and I'm gonna do the inside of his ears pink. And I'm gonna give him a little pink nose. And I'm going to color the inside of his eyes dark, but I'm going to leave that little other circle white. And there we have it. We've got our cute little bat. Well, everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this cute little bat drawing. I hope you had fun. And I hope to see you here again tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. Okay, have fun drawing. Bye!